bring an offering of worship to my King. Hey friends, this is Offering in the key of F, and this is a simple way to chord along to this song. I've kind of stripped out the complexities to it so that you could just jump in and learn it and have a lot of fun worshiping. Make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, I will have the printable chord sheet that'll make a lot more sense. All right, so let's jump into it. So in this song, we have F, C, and B flat, and then I do have a they kind of do a little chord change kind of thing. So there is a D sus into a D minor. So I'll teach you those as well. All right, so let's find the F chord. If you find the group of 3 black notes, the F is just right there. F, A, C, it's tucked to the left of them. Okay, and then we have a C chord. Move up here to the C, C, E, G. That's a C major chord. Okay, and then our B flat is kind of next door here. I'm going to play fingers 1, 2, 5, and it's B flat, D, F. Kind of tucks in there. It's like a curved line. So if you have black, white, white, kind of go in there. I kind of go a little bit further into the chord to play it, or into the notes, I should say. So that's my B flat. Okay, and then we have, I don't know if I mentioned an A. There's a little bit of a, yeah, I'm not going to get into the theory, but there's an A chord there. So let's bring that in. So A, C sharp, B. Okay. That's a triangle shape if that helps you think of that better. Okay. And then we just have our D sus. So here is our D minor. So we're going to start with that sus, on that verse. It plays this sus chord, and we're going to play D, G, A. And it's a beautiful suspended noise. And then it goes back to the D minor. And I know it sounds kind of wonky right now, but they're doing I don't know if it's a chord change right there. But here's D minor, D, F, A. But it'll sound better when we get it into the verse, okay? All right, so review. We have F chord. And then we have A major. B flat. C. Okay, then we have our D sus, and then we just have a D minor. Okay, and that's it. So our left hand is going to be playing single notes, so we're going to keep it super simple. We're going to play, probably keeping our F with the pinky here and lining up our 5 fingers and not moving this hand the whole song. So when we play F, up here we're just going to play F single note. Okay, and then we're going to play the A to the A in the bass. Okay, B flat to B flat down here. Okay, and then C to C. And then D sus. And see how, notice I just opened my thumb 1 note and played the D with that. Don't have to move your hand out of position, just open that up. And then for the D minor as well, you just play the D there, okay? All right, so this song is written in 4/4 time signatures. So it's a rhythm I like to use called 1-to-2 ratio. And it's just this nice marching rhythm like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, so a nice simple marching rhythm. So I'm going to sing through verse. There's only one verse in the song. I'm going to sing and play through it so you can see how it sounds, and then we'll kind of break it up into some sections for you to learn. All right. The sun cannot compare to the glory of your love. There is no shadow in your presence. No mortal man would dare to stand before your throne, before the Holy One of heaven. It's only by your blood, and it's only through your mercy, Lord, I come. All right, so it's just kind of that nice marching rhythm that'll kind of give you a good foundation to play this song. Okay, so let's try to see if we notice any patterns in our verses. So if you look at, or in the verse, I should say, lines 1 and 3 are repeating. Lines 2 and 4 are repeating as well. So just kind of notice that pattern. And then the chorus is the same thing. It kind of goes through that B flat, C, F, B flat, C, F for the most part. That's kind of your pattern a bit. So that kind of helps when you just break down music a little bit in that way. So if playing two hands together is too complex for you, you could just remove the left hand out altogether and just play the right hand only for a bit too. All right, so we're going to just go through this nice marching rhythm rather slow together so that you can figure it out with me. The sun can, C chord, not compare to the B flat, glory of your F, love. There is no B flat, shadow in your, excuse me, C, presence, F. No mortal, C, man would dare to B flat, stand before your F throne, before the B flat, Holy One of C, heaven. Okay, and then that B flat here. It's in this line we kind of just block chord it through. Excuse me. Block chord it 1-to-1 ratio. So we're just going to, it's only by your blood and it's only through your mercy. That's what we're going to do there. And it's only by your blood. Okay. Then we move into that A chord. And it's only through your D sus mercy. That goes from that D sus to the D minor. Okay, and then that last line is Lord, B flat, I, F, come. Okay, so you might have to go back to that beginning part if you need some help with that. Just take it slow, do right hand only, then bring the left hand in. All right, so let's figure out the chorus. We're going to kind of just do this. Starts out with the F. I bring in F, B flat, offering of C, worship to my F King. No one on B flat, earth deserves the C, praises that I F sing. Jesus may B flat, you receive the C, honor that your G here too. Okay, B flat. Oh Lord, I bring in C, offering to you. Okay, so we just have the verse and the chorus for that. So it is kind of simple in that regards, but like I said, break it up into sections, just work through the verse, then work through the chorus, then bring the two together, and you'll have a lot of fun. I'm going to sing it beginning to end. You can play and sing along with me when you mess up, because guess what? We all do. Just find the next chord, syllable, line that you can hop in and keep going. All right, here we go. I have a lot of students that like to have the starting pitch. So here is the starting pitch. The sun cannot compare to the glory of... Okay, so that F. The sun cannot compare to the glory of your love. There is no shadow in your presence. No mortal man would dare to stand before your throne, before the Holy One of heaven. It's only by your blood, and it's only through your mercy, Lord, I come. I bring an offering of worship to my King. No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive the honor that you're due. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you. The sun cannot compare to the glory of your love. There is no shadow in your presence. No mortal man would dare It's only through your mercy, Lord, I come. I bring an offering of worship to my King. No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive the honor that you're due. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you. I bring an offering of worship to my King. No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive